In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts into Klaviyo's template builder. Whether you're aiming to elevate your brand's visual presence or simply want to try out something new, incorporating custom fonts can really make a difference. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to customize your emails with a variety of font options that suit your brand's unique style. First things first, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Klaviyo dashboard, which is your main hub for all things related to your account. From here, look to the left-hand navigation bar and click on Content. Under this section, you will see an option labeled Images and Brand. Go ahead and select it, as this is where we'll begin the process of adding custom fonts. Once inside the Images and Brand section, look for the Fonts tab. This is where all the magic happens. Clicking on it will open up a new range of options specifically related to fonts. Here you'll see different types of font sources you can utilize. Now let's deepen our understanding of each of these options so you can make an informed choice. When it comes to choosing your font type, there are three main categories you can explore, each catering to different needs and preferences. The first option is Google Fonts, which is an incredibly convenient choice if you prefer a vast selection of free fonts. Simply enter the name of the desired Google font into the search bar and select your pick. This option is perfect if you want quick access to a wide variety of modern and classic typefaces. For those who have an Adobe font subscription, the process is just as straightforward. Once you've logged into your Adobe account, you can directly add the fonts you love into Klaviyo. This is a great choice if you already have a collection you're fond of, or if you're working within the Adobe ecosystem. Finally, if you have fonts you're self-hosting, perhaps ones that are specific to your brand's identity not found elsewhere, you can import these directly. You'll need the font files at hand to upload them into Klaviyo's system. To add any of these fonts into your templates, you need to open a text block within the template you're working on, or navigate to the Templates Styles tab. Inside the font drop-down menu, scroll to the very bottom where you'll find an option labeled Add Font. Click on it and follow the instructions that pertain to the type of font you want to add, be it Google, Adobe, or an imported font. By following these steps, you now have the ability to personalize your email templates with custom fonts, offering a distinctive and polished touch to your communications. Thank you for watching, and happy font experimenting.